Welcome friends, today we are going to see how to play Halloset Trap in English. So for that you should be playing as white and you start with your pawn on d4. He plays d5. So next move you should be offering a pawn on e4. He takes your pawn and next move you will be playing knight to c3. He defends it by playing to knight to f6. So you play pawn to f3 and he takes your pawn and you take back this pawn with your queen. So what happens is getting another pawn for free, so he takes your pawn. So next move you should be playing bishop to e3. So he will not retreat his queen to d8 because you can attack it by playing on d1, rook to d1. So going back to d8 is not a good move, but he plays the move queen to b4. So what is happening? Our knight is under threat, or then b2 pawn is also under threat. So you will castle on queen side. So what happens that black thinks that you are fool because he will be playing bishop to g4 and he is attacking your queen. But if so this is happening, you will be thinking why we castled on the queen side. I will be telling a trick, you can use it here. So what happens, you should give your queen for free. So you will be playing knight to b5. So if he is careless and takes your queen, then knight takes on c7 and it's a checkmate because this full d5 rook is blocked by our rook. So taking this queen is not a good idea. So after he plays knight to b5, he plays the move e5. So what we should do now is you take this pawn on b7. If he takes your rook, then you can play, you take this rook and his knight is under attack and his bishop is also under attack, and it will be very difficult to win this match. So taking this rook is not a good idea. So he can play a move that is knight to a6. But then also what you can do, you can take back this rook and win this match easily. So playing the e5 move is not a good. So he can play a move that is knight to a6. So what we do that, you take this b7 pawn. Why we are taking this b7 pawn? Because this queen is not defending this b7 pawn. So we took this b7 pawn. Now black has several moves, but the tempting move is rook to b8. So you take this rook. He takes your queen. And you play knight to c7 and it's a checkmate. Again the rook is blocking the d5. So playing the rook to b8 is not a good move. So he will be playing a rook to c8. So then also what you can do, that you can take back this knight and win this match easily. So if he takes a rook, then you can take back this rook and win this match easily. So taking the rook is also not good idea. So in this case, what black should do? So he should be doing in the first move, that is after playing our bishop to e3, he should be playing queen to g4. So he is attacking our queen, so you should not give your queen for free, because if you take his queen and he also takes your queen, then we are always a pawn down, 2 pawns down, which will be very difficult to win this match. So we should not exchange our queens and we should be playing so after he is playing g4, you play queen to f2 and you continue attacking the black to win this match. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such video. Thank you.